Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tuesday Night Circle. Dun, 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 dun. All right. I know you always like my banter and my enthusiasm. Today, as you can see from the homepage, what's the topic? I think circles. Gave you a nice little introduction there. Hope you enjoy it. So, we're going to give you there's nobody else with me. I don't know why I'm saying that. So, it's just me is going to give you very basic overview. You're going to get some terms, and then we're going to show you two properties. Again, there's nobody else here, I promise you. Look around. See? Do you see anybody else? No. There's nobody here. I promise you. So, first, terminology. Intro to circles. These are terms you have to know. You will be quizzed on them coming up. We're going to use them throughout. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you, you need to pause this and write it down. Okay? I'm going to give you all of them. Right here, ready? See, scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Keep that scrolling, scrolling. Just keep on scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Boom. Okay. Pause them at some time. Write these down. Get all of these. Okay? It's your intro to circles. Make sure you pause it like this. Pause. And then play. Okay. So, you got all that? Good. Now you can unpause it. Well, you would have to unpause to hear me say this, but moving forward. Okay, a common tangent. So you got tangent on the last page. A tangent is a line that intersects the circle at one specific point. A common tangent, again, is a line that is tangent to two circles and two coplanar circles. So what I mean by that is, so we have these two circles. So again, I'm talking about these two circles right here. See these guys? See? Those two circles. That's what I'm talking about. They have a common tangent. How many do you think they have? Well, if we take our little line tool here, let's just draw one. Oh, my word, it is not going to let me draw one. Well, that's really upsetting. We're going to take one from a different one then. Hold on. Hold the phone. See, should have paused it. See, this is called moving on the fly. So if we take our line here, if we look, a common tangent would be, we look here, this line touches there and there, so it intersects at one point. So that would be one. Again, it's not perfect, but you can see where there'd be one common tangent. So another common tangent would be, well, what if we take this guy and we put it down here? Well, there's two common tangents. Well, what if we take this guy and we turn her a little bit? And oh my, look at that. We have three lines of common tangents, see? It's the bell, you're not going to go anywhere. And then hopefully you can figure out where the fourth one is. This guy, how many lines of tangency would this one have? Well, it's two circles that touch there, so it's only going to have, good, it'll only have one. And obviously that one would be, we'll take this line, that one would fall right there. Okay, again, so a common tangent is a line that intersects two circles at one point each. Yeah, fixed sound looks bad. You see that? See that, Eden? You better be watching this one. Good. That works for me. Okay. Last one. Theorem. 10.1. In a plane, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to a radius of that circle. So that might sound really confusing, but I promise you it makes a lot of sense. So, here's our circle. See that guy? That's our circle, and obviously this right here, that's our radius. So the line that would be tangent at that point, if we take this line and say that would be our tangency line, see where it's going to touch right there. And if you look at that, obviously that's going to have to be, well, look at that. Those two are perpendicular. And again, if we switch this, if we take our radius and let's, move our radius down here. Again, same concept applies. We got to take our tangent line and we got to alter it. And if we lay it again, look at that. Holy cow. That's, oh, I moved my circle. I didn't mean to move my circle. That's also perpendicular. So your task, you're going to have a one-question Sketchpad. One-question Skyward quiz. Here's your problem right here. This is a circle. You're given a triangle with these two radiuses right here. I want you to set up the Pythagorean theorem problem. Again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but you have these r's involved. Okay, I want you to think about it. Try and choose the correct one. We will work on this much more tomorrow. Enjoy.